東京レトロは正解、ケーキの
Hello guys, so here I am at the Kirby Cafe Petit. This is recently opened and they've got tons and tons of fantastic cakes. Let's go inside. Cookies. Got it, got it, got it, got it. There goes all the Starbucks. Also keychain. Loads and loads of keychains. Line boxes, similar to what we've seen at the Skytree branch. You can check that video out as well, because I've made a video on that. It's so cute. Notepads. Oh, these are cute. These are like cakes, but they're towels. Also, Kirby Cafe Petit. Petit is here, exclusive. Mugs and cans. So these got pens, pancake case, bag or tote bag. Bag, and also some kitchenwares, coasters, etc. Gure coffee. These are coffees, and more tote bags, smaller totes. I've never wanted a bread so bad in my life. This is the bread. Apple pie stick. Oh my gosh. Decoration. What up? I love this. Pancake and a pan. Moving alongside all your jewelry accessories. Kirby sounds. More Kirby cows. So nice. More homeware, kitchenware. After getting my Kirby cake and the booster pack from the Pokemon store, I am at the Kirby store.